5 cars you should avoid buying them this 2026 and beyond. These cars are money pitch alert. I'm telling you, these guys highlight you. The guide I'm giving you highlight you 5 used vehicles that are often criticized for expensive repairs, reliability concern, or high ownership cost. No, this is what you have to know about this car. So moving forward, I cannot waste much time. Let's get into the video. Number one is Range Rover Sport, first generation from 2005 to 2013. These cars have frequent electrical issues. It has suspension failure and can be expensive to repair. And high cost of maintenance repairs is also required to this car, because I have seen a lot of them parking at workshops, just abandon them just like that because of the spare parts availability. It's not easy to buy the parts unless you are very prominent person. So if this is your first time owning this kind of car, don't rush into purchasing it, and fail to maintain it will also hurt you and cause mess. It will bring your finances down, so you have to be very cautious about it. That is the Range Rover Sport first generation from 2005 to 2013. You have to stay away with this car if you are living in Ghana or West Africa. That is my opinion and experience. If I don't know who lives in diaspora and Western countries, how it take them for long use, I don't know. But weather here in Ghana and West Africa is not properly required for these cars. It's not good at all for you to purchase, so stay away for it, my brother. Yes, number two is BMW 7 Series F01 and F02 generation. These cars are very good car indeed for Western countries, but it's not good in Ghana here. A lot of people are parking their cars, a lot of people are buying engines. It has a lot of electrical and electronics components and lossy features, which it is sometimes difficult to purchase and replace them, which is very expensive. And engine itself and transmission is very expensive when it comes to repairs or replace them. So it's not worth for money, I'm telling you. It has a high ownership cost as the vehicle ages. When the vehicle gets to an old system, for you to resell it, the value can reduce approximately. So you have to stay away with this car. And number three is Nissan Altima CVT equipped model. These cars are very good car indeed, but the transmission and some models are known for CVT transmission problems, so we have to stay away from it. It has transmission replacement and regularly, and can be very costly, so you have to avoid it. I am a mechanic, and based on my experience and my expertise and how long I've been in this industry, whatever I'm saying here is truth and verified. So we have to stay away with this car. Those who live in the Western country, America and other Asian countries, these cars are very good for them because they have a good weather. But in Ghana here, we don't have a good weather to use some of these cars, which can cost you a lot of repairs and wetness, I'm telling you. So number four is Chevrolet Cruze first generation. These cars are good, but they have issues on overheating. Cooling system issues are very important for this car, but our weather is not enough to contain those climate. So those living in America are good to go to use those cars, but in Ghana or West Africa, because of our weather condition, too much heat here, and this car can contain too much heat. That is why they generate serious overheating. They have cooling system problems. Their turbocharger and oil leaks concern on some engines. Some of these cars are always giving problematic, so you have to know. And once you're using one of these problems, you encounter it before you can even resell the car. It can also require frequent repairs if poorly maintenance. If you are not good enough and very disciplined to use this car, and you are indisciplined, just like ordinary driver, you hurt yourself and spend a lot of repairs when you are using Chevrolet Cruze first generation. So let's take note about that. If you are planning to buy one of these cars, stay away from it if you are living in West Africa or Ghana because of our weather condition. Last but not the least is Jeep Compass early models. Yes, these cars are very good in Europe and America, but in Ghana here, it also not favor our weather condition. So reliability concern reported by many owners is the number one thing. It has electrical and transmission related complaint. This is also a second thing you have to look out for, and it has lower resale value compared to some competitors in the market or auto industry. These cars are, low graded car, which is not recommended, and you have to stay away from it. Thanks for watching Erico Center. If this is your first time watching my video and having a subscribe, please subscribe, click the notification bell to stay updated. Make sure you like and put your comment below. If you also have one of these cars, planning to buy any of these cars, please write in the comment section, or write your thought and your experience and the problems you are facing while using this car. It will help us a lot to also gain experience, and those who are willing to buy it, one of these cars in their future, which I think is their dream car, they will look out for what to do and what not to do. Because this car has pros and cons, and I have mentioned the main character of this car. So you have to just take note and very notice it. It will help you a lot. It will help you a lot. Thank you very much for having time with me. I thank you for my followers, my subscribers who have been sharing my video and comment, and just exploring to go viral to reach out many people. God bless you all. Until I meet you in the next video, stay blessed, be better and not bitter. Bye bye.